Guess how low we dropped the price on our brand new cable?
$10?
No, guess again.
$8?
No, we have dropped it down to 5.99 and it is still the same with 4-in-1 connectors that you get Lightning, USB and 2 additional Type-Cs, making it compatible with pretty much any device that you can think of. 240 watts of fast charging means that whatever device you have, you can always charge it at maximum speeds at all times. And this cable is not only fast, but it is built to last. The connectors are reinforced with zinc alloy and the cable with liquid silicone. You can pull it, twist it, bend it, all you want. Nothing is gonna happen to it. It comes with its own carry bag. There are 2 colors available, and if you like this product for $5.99, it is a steal. Click the yellow card and purchase it now.